Hey guys, welcome back to Honda How To. And in today's video, I figured I owe it to you guys to show you the car. It's nothing special. It's a 96 Civic hatchback. It's a DX, so it's pretty base. Me and the kids are just out here fishing. They're over there. But yeah, this is the car. You saw it in that thumbnail, but didn't really show you guys around the car. It's got J&C 010 wheels, which those are leaving. I don't like them. The paint is shot. I have a new door. One of the biggest things I dislike about this car is that rear quarter panel. It's all crinkled up and ugly. Look at that poke. Man, that's sweet. Just kidding. Type R replica spoiler. I did change from the stock taillights. The stock taillights were ugly in my opinion. Yeah, it's not in the best of shape. I'm assuming at one time somebody tried to break in. It's got a green door handle. I don't know how well that's picking that up, but yeah, it's not black, it's green. And then, yeah. So I'm sure somebody broke into it at one time. The interior, you guys seen most of the interior. It's actually in really good shape, minus the headliner and the dash. I'm probably going to convert it to power windows because every single regulator I put in that door, it's always junk. So, gotta clean up that computer like I told you guys. The front, it's just got some eBay grill on it. The bumper's all faded out as usual. But yeah, like I said, it's nothing special. I had a B16 laying around that was in pretty bad shape, so I figured I'd just build it and put it in something. It was either going in this or a two-door coupe. But let's I suppose I should just show you guys the swap. So I'll explain to you guys. Come on. There we go. Got it. I'll explain to you guys. I did take the valve cover off and I adjusted the valves. And I didn't replace the valve cover gasket, so the valve cover gasket, you know, it's leaking. So, all right, I'll show you guys the engine. Just a little quick, unbiased review of the Civic. I'm gonna ask my kids, how do you like Dad's car?
I love it.
You love it? How about you?
Love it.
You love it? Why do you guys like it so much?
It's red, it's fast.
It's fast. How fast is it?
160 something.
160 something. Why is it fast?
Because it's a Honda.
It's a Honda. That doesn't mean anything.
And because it doesn't have a governor.
Doesn't have a governor? How do you know what that is?
Because you told us about it.
Told you about it?
Yeah.
What does a governor do?
It, if your car has a speed, it stops it from going that fast.
It stops it from going that fast? Why do you think okay, so why do you guys think they put those on cars?
So they don't go over the speed limit and get pulled over.
That is correct. It's to keep them safe. So, in closing words, what do you guys think? Could it be faster?
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, it could.
And louder.
And louder? You like it being loud?
Yeah.
You like it loud? Okay. What would you change about Dad's car?
I would probably maybe put race car tires on it.
Race car tires?
Yeah.
What would you change about Dad's car?
Race car seats.
Race car seats? Like what? Like with the harnesses and stuff?
Yeah.
Well, we're not that fast yet. But some people do that.
for safety.
But
But
no, well,
but a better-
sometimes.
But a better exhaust.
A better exhaust?
No, a better motor.
Better
to make it go
motor?
faster.
To make it go faster? Well, the motor or engine is a good engine to begin with. All you'd have to do is put a turbo on it. Should Dad do that?
And make it shoot flames.
Make it shoot flames?
Yeah,
Why shoot flames?
so you can light fireworks off of the off of the car.
Light fireworks off the... You guys are crazy. All right, back to the video. Okay, sorry about that, guys. I had to run over to the dock quick. All right. Pop this open here quick. Don't worry about the intake. The intake I had laying around, it's kind of just an old piece of junk. But as you can see, it's starting to leak. It's still full on oil. It doesn't burn or drip any oil, so I'm not too worried about it right now. But the swap went well. It has a MSD blaster, which I absolutely hate, but this is the only distributor that I had that would work for this engine. All the distributors that I have are either OBD1 B series or D series. This thing needs a wire tuck really, really bad, as you guys can see. Other than that, yeah, it went pretty well. There wasn't really anything that was too crazy hard. Down in there, you guys can kind of see those wires that I just had to extend the O2 sensor wires, because on a Y7, the original one, the O2 is right up here on the exhaust manifold, which is technically a pre-cat. It's not even, I mean, the cat is on the exhaust manifold. So I had to extend the O2 sensor wires to go back there for the B series header. What else? Yeah, there isn't really much. It's nothing special, but hey, I built it. I built this by hand. Bare block, nothing in it. Not a single thing in it. But yeah, like I said, it's not in the best shape, but it is what it is. I do like how the header kind of comes through the grill there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it looks pretty cool. You can see it through that grill. I think that's pretty neat. And if you guys know of any hatchbacks that are super clean, let me know, please. Just nothing around here in North Dakota. There's nothing clean for Honda wise. But yeah, if you guys like this video, be sure to like it and subscribe. I'm not sure what type of content I'm gonna be creating. I know I'm gonna be pulling the dash soon, so I might cover that. I'll do that climate control. I'll make a video on that, I'm sure. And what else? Trying to think. Yeah, there isn't much I'm doing lately, I guess, for the car. I'm getting another car, which I'll cover that in a video of me going to get it and stuff. Yeah, I mean, this thing's basically done. It's not gonna be turbo or anything special. So yeah, like I said, if you guys like this video, be sure to subscribe and like it. Tell your friends, and I hope to see you guys in the future. Peace.